rebuilt this car in like 5 weeks. P51 intake. Boom. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and what you guys are about to see is some more footage from Pitt's Ponies in the Smokies. I know I've had a ton of footage from that trip, guys, but it was a lot of fun, that show. But yeah, while I was there, I was talking to Adam, who is my engine builder for the 347 that is going in the SSP. In case you don't know what I'm talking about, that's what I'm putting in the coupe when the coupe finally gets done. And guys, I know it's been a minute, but yeah, we're going 347. It has certainly been a little while, but we're not giving up on that project. We are gonna finish the coupe, definitely gonna finish that. 347 is going in, but my engine builder, Adam, what you're about to see in this video is his drift car. He has a new Edge drift car. He just put it together for Pitts, like basically put the whole car back together, got it painted and everything for the show, and that's what you're about to see here. But stay tuned, come back after we see Adam's car, because I have a very, very important announcement I think you're gonna want to hear about. But anyway, let's go ahead and cut to the footage from Pitts. Found my engine builder over here. Got Adam with Kannapolis Engines, and his brother, I don't think I've ever mentioned this, but his brother runs Out to Pasture Pony Parts, as you can see right there. And this is all his brother's stuff that he's selling. I'm gonna probably get my disc brakes for the conversion. I'm gonna do a 5-look conversion, all from Out to Pasture. But Adam just rebuilt this. Like I said, he's my engine builder, but he just kind of put this car back together. I think we have Kannapolis engine somewhere. Yeah, it's up here on the hood. There you go. There's Adam's, but check out the intake. P51 intake. And yes, guys, it is still loud out here, but this car, I think I showed it on the channel before. It was in pieces last time I saw it. Had a ball joint, went bad, and just kind of wrecked. It's a race car. Okay, now that the noise is gone, he rebuilt this car in like 5 weeks. Almost everything on it is new, painted and everything. Tore it up drifted, I believe, but check this out. It is a drift car for sure. Manual windows. You guys can see right here, the old crank up. So I got footage of Adam drifting it. He's gonna get that to me, and so I'll throw that in right here. But yeah, I need him to teach me to drive like that. My coupe is not for drifting, but I do want to try drifting. We're gonna get out to the track with him at some time. He goes quite often. But 5 weeks? Adam, I still can't believe this, 5 weeks. Cannot believe it. And you badged it up well. I like the badging. Adam badged it up out to pasture. And he also had it tuned. I forgot that. I think he said, what, 282 horsepower, 320 torque. And as you just saw in that clip, it really moves around the track. And the bumper, it's a race car, it's a drift car. So the bumper he got a crack in it, which makes sense because it probably is gonna hit something else at some point. So we'll see. But he has not had any spin outs so far, what he told me. So that's pretty cool. I mean, 5 weeks. I need Adam I need to give him my SSP coupe, and just, you know, 5 weeks later, I'll be a happy man.
Drift control arms.
Yeah, because that's some serious, what, camber?
Camber caster.
Yeah.
The wheel's about 3
stuff
inches further forward.
Is it? Okay, yeah. You don't have any clearance issues?
And I'm about half angle right now. With no power steering, I can't get any more.
Oh yeah, he did.
Turns almost 90 degrees.
The power steering, he used aftermarket. Guess what happened? Sprung a leak. So he's gonna switch to some OE stuff, but 5 weeks? I still can't believe that. You put a new, what is this, the oil cooler or transmission cooler?
Power steering cooler.
Oh, that is a power steering cooler, okay. I mean, it looks nice. Mako paint job is what he said, but you get up close, you can see it. Yep. I'm impressed. So that was Adam's car. Like I said, my engine builder just got done talking to him. He also, I mean, he built the engine, right? He redid the engine. Basically, it's a 4.6 2 valve, but he did go ahead and stroke it to 5 liters, got that intake on it. And I mean, that's pretty good numbers. You heard the numbers there, 280. For what he's doing for drifting, that is all you need. Also, he said he's gonna put a Gearhead 704 sticker on it, decal. Can't pass that up, so I'm gonna go grab one for him. Guys, I haven't had much chance to walk around outside here yet, so I got the man Hicks House Videos with me. Yeah. He's gonna take me to the good cars, but we gotta drop this off real quick for Adam because he's gonna be going around track with it. So let's start with that.
Clear gonna stay or come off?
Comes off.
Yep. All right, guys, there it is, official. Boom! You have to check Adam out on the track. We're gonna get him drifting soon, but Brent is gonna lead me to the promised land. So let's go.
We'll see as long as they haven't left.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if he comes through, guys, or if this hits the cutting room floor. I don't know. So what did you guys think of that new Edge, especially with the different footage of him drifting around, driving around the track? That, to me, seems like something very exciting. I would love to do, and I'm hoping to get out there one day while he's running it live and see it in person, get some footage, bring that to the channel for you guys. So we'll see what that works out. But like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I do have a special announcement. We are doing a giveaway for the very last spot at the Chocolate Fox show. Chocolate Fox is actually sold out. You cannot get in at all. You can't get your Fox body there now at this point. Everything's been sold out, but we have one more VIP spot, guys, and we're gonna be giving that away. And so the video where the giveaway details is gonna come up after this video. I believe this one's going up on Sunday. That one will be out the following Wednesday. So if you wanna know how to win an entry into the Chocolate Fox show, not just an entry, a VIP entry, but stay tuned for that video because it's gonna have all the details, so be sure you subscribe to the channel. You don't wanna miss that. Like I said, it could be your only way into the show if you want to go to Chocolate Fox show, which is basically like Foxtoberfest in the north. But anyway, that's going to do it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday, and we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Be sure you stay tuned to the channel because we're going to be having all the details on... Ooh, sneeze. Oh man, this pollen's killing me. Uh-oh. Yeah! Woo! Oh, that's not good for the back. Bloopers. Okay.